Welcome to our journey through time, as we walk through the ancient heart of Rome, the eternal city. Today, we embark on a pedestrian adventure that delves into the rich tapestry of Rome's vast history, unveiling the stories laid in its cobblestone streets, stunning monuments, and awe-inspiring ruins. A city that was not built in a day, but has thrived for nearly 3 millennia. Rome is a beacon of history, art, and culture. As we set foot on this grand excursion, let us uncover the timeless charm and enduring legacy of this majestic city. Our journey begins where Roman civilization itself took its first breaths, the Roman Forum. Nestled between the Palatine and Capitoline hills, this was once the bustling hub of public life in ancient Rome. Picture a vibrant marketplace filled with senators discussing politics, vestal virgins tending sacred fires, and citizens engaging in debates. Here lies the crumbled grandeur of ancient basilicas, arches, and temples, each whispering tales of power, intrigue, and faith. Pause to ponder the significance of the Via Sacra, the main street of the Forum, which served as the route for triumphal processions celebrating military victories. As you walk along what was once a symbol of Roman glory, let the echoes of history guide your steps. From the Forum, our path takes us to the majestic Colosseum, a testament to Rome's architectural ingenuity and the epicenter of entertainment in its time. This colossal amphitheater could seat up to 80,000 spectators who gathered to witness gladiatorial contests, exotic animal hunts, and recreations of famous battles. Imagine standing in the arena, enveloped by the roar of the crowd, feeling the palpable energy that once filled this remarkable structure. Today, the Colosseum stands as an enduring symbol of Rome's grandeur and its complex relationship with power and spectacle. Its walls may be weathered by time, but their stories continue to captivate the modern world. Venturing further afield, we arrive at the Pantheon, a marvel of Roman engineering and one of the best preserved of all ancient Roman buildings. Originally built as a temple to all gods, the Pantheon boasts a massive dome ceiling with a central oculus that illuminates the rotunda with natural light. Think of the innovative architectural techniques that allowed for this feat, and consider the influence it has had on Western architecture, inspiring countless structures throughout history. The Pantheon is not just a testament to human ingenuity, but also a spiritual refuge that continues to inspire reverence and awe. Next, we make our way to the Trevi Fountain, a masterpiece of Baroque art and a beloved symbol of the city. Legend holds that tossing a coin over your left shoulder into the fountain ensures a return to Rome, a tradition that has been cherished by countless visitors. While you contemplate the lifelike figures sculpted in travertine, such as Neptune, the god of the sea, consider the artisanship that captures the dynamic interaction between land and sea. Reflect on the fountain as both a romantic and cultural landmark, an enduring emblem of the eternal allure that draws people from all corners of the globe to Rome. Finally, our walk brings us to the Spanish Steps, a staircase of 135 steps, nestled between Piazza di Spagna and Piazza Trinità dei Monti. The steps offer a panoramic vista of the cityscape below, a perfect vantage point for soaking in the vibrant life of Rome. Historically, a meeting place for artists, poets, and the Spanish Steps have become a cultural icon, inviting visitors to sit and absorb the pulsating rhythm of the city. This is where history, art, and social life converge in a picturesque tableau, providing a moment of reflection on Rome's enduring dual character. as both a bustling metropolis and a guardian of timeless traditions. As our stroll through Rome draws to a close, we are reminded of the city's profound legacy, a living museum where every turn offers another glimpse into the past. Rome is a city like no other, where the ancient and the modern coexist in harmonious complexity. The eternal city has not only withstood the passage of time, but has thrived, cementing its place as a beacon of history and culture. As you leave, consider the footprints left by those before you, and feel the call of a city that eternally beckons explorers with its endless stories and secrets. Until the next adventure, may the allure of Rome remain an indelible memory in our hearts.